Hi viewer, how are you? I hope all are fine. Today I am going toward the new sites. So firstly I am going toward new site. I will tell you brief myself. I am Kamran and I am a Bitcoin earner and also upload new videos of Bitcoin tricks and free Bitcoin earning sites, all genuine investment companies with proof. So I can upload on my channel. I only upload the proof videos, proof sites, proof withdrawals. So today I am also give you a new opportunities of earning bitcoins, online earning. So the main in this video the main subject is Recyclix reviews and Edelweiss 5, the new sites, and that is the video is on the comparison of that both sides. The both side is very best, but nowadays Recyclix is some have some problem due to fire in Poland. So but the site is genuine site, and they will give you also after the recovery they will give you a good opportunity. So I am going to site that is Recyclix site. They can adjust the some quota of kgs. So that is my account, and the one of my account is going 346 kgs will be adjusted and will be removed from my account. So I don't mind because the site is very great, and I fully believe that this site will come on normal situation. They will give me all the seize remove quota, they will give me back. So today I am going to the new sites, but the sites first before the going to new sites, my channel name is BTC Earner, and I requested my viewer subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. So now I am going to the new sites, that is the Recyclix versus Edelweiss 5. So that side, the main site, that is also the electric energy technologies companies, and they also have 2-3 projects. You can also watch videos on YouTube. That is the company verification proof, and you can also check that proof that is on the site, that is sale departments. And the main plan of this site is they will give you 0.5% to 3% on a day, on weekend 0.5 and 0.5 to 3% on business day, but minimum they will give you 1%, 365. So that the calculators have and 1% your investment, they show the 1% profit daily, but the plan is 0.5 to 3% they will give you. On weekend they will give you 0.5%. 5% first level, they have a level referral commission is 2 level referral. First level is 5% and second level is 2%. So and they will give you if you deposit the money, they will give you return on 365 days. They will give you minimum of 1%, on weekend 0.5%, but normally they will give you 1%. But the main plan is 0.5% to 3% on business days they will give you. So but the main reviews of this site is very good, and you can also watch videos watch and reviews available on YouTube and other sites. So that is the news. This is the main, and they can also launch in the Turkey, Benderma. They will launch on Benderma. You can also read and watch also that news. So that is the production wind turbine of own production. They can you visit the company, you can watch this site. So I am also like that site, so I can share with you that site. The sign up link is also available in my description. So the both side Recyclix and Edelweiss is a great companies. Both are good companies. So join that company and earn money online. Recyclix is a lifetime, but that is only a year. They can pay you of your deposits for year. Minimum of 0.5% to 3% they can on business day they can give you a return back. So viewer, thanks to watch my video and subscribe my channels BTC Earner. Thank you. So I also share the videos of the opening ceremony of that company. So you can watch that video of opening ceremony of Edelweiss, and the opening ceremony is very good, and you can watch that ceremony. Okay, thank you.